Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So Valentine's Day is right around the corner and I'm going to be doing my tablescape for my Valentine date night. So I am going to decorate it kind of romantically. I'm going to try to put a little sparkle into it. I want to do pink and white and a little bit of red mixed in to give it that Valentine vibe. What I'm going to be making for our dessert is strawberries dipped in chocolate. And I have some pink chocolate melts and some white chocolate melts. So I'll show you how I make my strawberries dipped in chocolate, and I will show you how I decorate my table. I really shopped my stash. I have some flowers, some tulips, some pink tulips. I did get some little glass bead things to put in the vase where I'm going to put the tulips, and those are red and clear glass. So I'll show you how I do that and get everything all festive for Valentine's Day. And I hope that you get some inspiration for your Valentine's Day decor. I really don't do a lot of Valentine decorating in the house. I have a couple of pillows, pillow covers that are Valentine's, and I won't be putting those out for a while, but because I just put out my winter stuff. So the only thing I'm going to be decorating today is this table. So yeah, come along with me and let's see how it comes out. That I had picked up these little glass beads from the dollar store, and they're red and clear. And I'm just going to put them in this vase where I have my tulips. And these are faux tulips, of course. So I'm just going to fill them. I'm going to fill up the vase. I have 3 of these. I got some of this little sort of, I don't know, it's just like a garland of silver berries, and actually it was on sale at Michael's this morning in the Christmas section. It was 75% off. So I'm just going to kind of put this in the middle of the table. These are the placemats that I picked up, and I picked these up at Walmart, and these are actually the Pioneer Woman, and they're double-sided. So I figured because I have a blue table that I could use these afterwards because it's so pretty. They have like a embroidered rose on them. It's kind of like a, you know, you can feel it. It's like not just a, it's actually embroidered on there. So for the Valentine, I can use the red check. Then I just have this sphere of roses, and I actually made this. I just glued this on to a ball. I've had this for a few years, and it's just like a cream color rose, so I thought I would just place this on the table. And I have my little wreath from Christmas at Target, and I'm just going to set it in there, and then I'm going to tuck in some berries around the edges. And the berries that I have are from Christmas, the ones that I tucked into my little the little wreath. And yeah, so you can recycle and use things that you used in different decor. So that's what I'm going to do with that. Thinking about romance, it's Valentine's. You're going to just try to have a romantic dinner. And so what I did was I found this pink candle and this little flower wreath from our wedding. And it was downstairs, and I just kind of made it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to use this on my candlestick here. It's white, so it goes. It's pink, so it goes with the color theme that I'm looking for. So I'm going to use this. This will sort of be something from our wedding, you know, just kind of making it a little bit more romantic. I'm probably the only one that's going to remember that. He probably won't even know, but that's all right, because mostly it's for me anyway, because he could eat, you know, on a TV tray and be perfectly content. I'm the one that needs the little romance and the little decorations. So, of course, this is why we do these things. And so, yeah, so it has sentimental value. Whenever I can pull in sentimental value, I do. This flower arrangement is one that I actually picked up from Michael's quite a few years ago. I don't even know, probably, I don't know, not that many years ago. But it's got the pinks and the reds, and this was, I picked them up when they're on sale. Michael's has a lot of times they do their arrangements, and when they're, you know, selling them, they're pretty expensive. But then when they're trying to get rid of those so they can do new ones, they go on sale for 50%, 60% off. So that's when I got this, and it's got the right colors in there, so I'm going to use that on my tablescape as well. Then I have this little tray. It's a glass tray, kind of like a cake dish. I picked this up at a yard sale somewhere along the line, but it's got pretty pink flowers on it. So what I'm going to do is, this is where I'm going to put my chocolate covered strawberries. And I have my Blissful candle. It's pink, and it will go good on the table. This is a Ray Dunn candle. It's not from Ray Dunn, but it's just a little sphere, and it says love, so I think that that would be very appropriate. And because it's still winter time, I'm going to use these little tea light snowflakes, and I'll have some candles going in these. I picked up these little champagne flutes. I have to wash them. I just took them out of the bag, but I picked these up at dollar store for $1 each. I also got some pink candy kisses that I'm just gonna put on the table, sprinkle those around. I got some of the conversation hearts that I thought I could put in. I've got some other champagne flutes from the dollar store with hearts on them, and I'm gonna put these on inside those champagne flutes. I'll show you those now. So these are the little champagne flutes from the dollar store. I thought they were cute. I'm just gonna put them on the table, and I'll put those little hearts in there. I thought that that would look cute on my table. It just adds that little touch of red. And I picked up this tray at the dollar store too. It's like a metal tray, and I thought that that would look cute on the table. Simple, but the silver. I just picked up some clear glass plates from the dollar store for $1 a piece, and then I got some silver chargers. So those are from the dollar store as well. So I didn't spend a lot of money on this, but we shall give it a go and see how it all comes out.
What it takes to find the every time you need me. I'm telling you I'm here to stay. But looking at your castle, I'm pretty sure you're safe, but still afraid. I'm walking in your garden, knowing what you're dreaming of, past the copper statues of everyone you've ever loved. Lower down the bridge and let me in, will you? You'll never get to know me from within, will you? I will break the spell. You don't need that armor, even though you wear it well. Lower down the bridge and let me in, will you? You'll never get to know me from within, will you?
For some mysterious reason, my feet was directed to you, my dear. I had wished I could stay away, rid my thoughts of you some way.
Yeah, Hugh Hefnerish.
Right?
Here we go. Here we go, am I in camera? See what I mean? It's a little brute. Alright, baby. Get some pink champagne here for us.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Tell me what to do.
Alright. Do it real. Happy Valentine's
Happy Valentine's Day.
It's a little dry. Those are the real hot, those little hots.
Yep.
The candy's on the bottom, so you shouldn't get in your, food. The whole meat. I've got some more napkins too. They look beautiful. Here, baby, we'll toast. Here's to you.
Here's to you, baby.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you all have a very happy Valentine's Day. If you like this video, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will come back.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now. All right.
How's that, baby?
That's really good. Let me take one too. What's yours say?
Bay.
Bay?
Bay. B-A-E. Bay.
Bay? Maybe that's baby. What does that one say?
Real love.
There we go. Real love. Talking about real love.